Alright, so I'm doing a diagnostic inspection on this GE front load washer. Customer complaint is it's making excessive weird noise. So I disassemble it and you can see the support weights. Those are all pretty good, tightly secured. There's nothing broken under here. You got two shocks on this side. You got two shocks over here, which is working properly. See how the shocks work. And then you also have two supporting springs up top. Those are all connected properly. The problem with the unit that's causing it to vibrate a little excessively and making more noise than it should is because the inner tub assembly is a little bit off center. It's a little bit off. Which is causing the unit to wobble. So you have the inner tub assembly here, right? There's a shaft here that goes in the back to support it. And then you have the outer tub assembly that's plastic. It holds the water in, right? That's why no water is on the here. And what happened is the inner tub's supposed to be exactly in the center, like spin within orbit of the outer tub. You have the inner tub assembly slightly off balance, meaning it's kind of bent a little bit. The only thing supporting the inner tub that keeps it within center of the outer tub is this shaft right here that goes straight in the middle. It goes straight out the back of the machine, and that's what keeps the inner tub spinning while the outer tub, which is the plastic, holds the water in. So what happened is this inner tub assembly is defective. It's a little bit warped. So as you have closing it and it's turning, you could see what happened, and that create excessive vibration, additional vibration, and it caused more noise because then this tub assembly here has to be moving more than it's designed to, which is causing the excessive noise. But that's what is going on. Defective inner tub assembly, worn. It's wobbling. It's causing the unit to be noisy, off balance, and shaking excessively.